princess. How are you?
Hello.
She's like, no.
What's going on, Pixie Dust Posse? I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley, and this is Maisie, and today we are on the Disney Magic. Where are we going?
We are going to Disney's new private island, Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point.
Clearly, I am so excited. I think more excited than anyone else in this room.
This is honestly the first cruise that is going to be going to this island, so we are going to be having a lot of videos featuring everything that we see on the island and a nice little 3-day getaway.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I'm excited just for a new Disney ship. We've only been on the Fantasy.
So if you're into that and you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share on this video. And let's get into day one here on the Disney
She's
Magic.
Pumped. Woohoo! So Maisie and I just had lunch at Cabana's. What did you think about lunch, girl? She liked it. So now we're going to, it's a Small World nursery to get her all signed up. And I think they're doing a little open house, so maybe she can crawl around and meet some friends. What do you think? Okay. She just turned 1. We are in the Marvel room. Look how cool. Where are we, Maisie? We're at ice cream. You know what that means. It's time for chocolate ice cream. Cone count. #1 for both of us. You gotta hold it. There you go. Oh no.
I'm jealous because, you know, you already got to explore without me. So can you still act excited when I see all these parts of the ship for the first time?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I appreciate it. One thing that did happen while I was not present was they got chocolate ice cream, and now Maisie is just naked baby.
She don't want to talk about it, okay?
Yeah. Is there any merch in there?
Yeah, lots of merch. How much is that suitcase?
The suitcase?
Yeah. How much?
$250. More?
No.
$170?
$199.
All right, we are finally settled here on day 1 on the Disney Magic, going to Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. It's dinner time. We didn't get any sailway footage. Marley, what happened with that?
So last night, to make things easier for us in the morning, we checked into a hotel. We put in all of our requests, aka a crib for Maisie, and they didn't have any cribs. They were locked away. No one had a key. Maisie doesn't sleep anywhere but a crib, so she wouldn't sleep in the bed with us. Yeah. So we had to hold her all night.
And Maisie just turned 1 year old, and I think like a switch flipped for her. She's been a little more unruly, but this is now her 6th cruise.
Yes.
So we're gonna go ahead and hit dinner. Before we do though, we'll get you a fit check.
This is Target. These are Birkenstocks. Don't zoom in on my toes. Matt wouldn't let me get a pedicure before this. But I bought nail polish.
All right, fit check after Tequila. This shirt is from H&M because Marley's cat peed on all of our luggage as we came on the cruise.
That's rude.
Chubbies, Crocs, let's get ice cream. So this cruise has a lot of DVC members on it and vloggers, so the door decorations are out of this world.
Look at our beautiful door. Of course, we've got Maisie's Stitch, and this is our little YouTube banner.
Perfect time.
If you're not already, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. So we haven't checked out the dinner menu. We're going into this completely blind, but we want to be surprised.
What restaurant are we even at?
I don't even know.
Oh my God, that's really blind.
We are at Rapunzel's Royal Table, Deck 3 Aft.
Are you?
We're at Rapunzel's royal table, aka medieval times.
Oh my gosh.
What is going on
I
up here?
don't know.
Hello, princess. How are you? Hello. Oh, she's like, no. Hello, princess. How are you?
What the hell is this?
This is so pretty. Hi. 72.
Number 72 in the house. Hi, princess.
All right, we're getting settled. We actually met some awesome people at the bar earlier.
We met Thane and Laura from Travel Spree. Maisie, I think you're gonna have the broccoli cheddar soup and the seared salmon steak.
She approves. What's going on over here? Why are you playing with your menu? Yellow dress.
How's everyone doing tonight?
The return of dramatic zoom.
Hi. Yes. Say hi.
No stealing anything coming up like food and cake plans. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you.
Babe, I'll have your finest crayons.
No.
Marley has been nonstop shoveling this broccoli soup into Maisie's face for at least 10 minutes.
I took Maisie's crib camera and set it up in the living room, kitchen, or whatever to watch my baby eat. Oh, he's so cute!
All the time, never to see. Rapunzel, and your servant.
There's a parade of children behind you.
I will sing.
If you guys didn't watch our celebrity reflection video part 3, Marley loves coloring. I'll link it right here. She stays in the lines too. Hey guys, we just got over dinner. It was at Rapunzel's Royal Rumspringa. Dinner was really good.
Dinner was really good.
Now we're going to try to remember exactly what we ate, starting with Marley.
Okay, I had this fried shrimp, but when I tell you the shrimp was like the size of my hand, it was so good. I don't know what the dressings or the things that were on it. It was good. I had some kind of salad that had sliced potatoes and sliced cucumbers in it.
Some kind of salad.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
And then for dinner, I had some kind of meat plate. Flynn Rider's
It had so
meat
many
plate.
meats on it. It looked like a barbecue restaurant on your plate.
It was really good.
And then for dessert?
We ordered them all.
Yeah.
We had the frying pan dessert. We had the creme brulee cheesecake. You had the no sugar added.
With a little
Maisie.
fortress of chocolate around it.
Maisie had the celebration birthday cake,
We all
cupcake
did.
with ice cream. Maisie had broccoli cheddar soup. She ate the whole thing, and then she had salmon. Some of the salmon ended up on the floor.
Salmon head.
But I'm really proud of her. Yeah, she had salmon all in her hair, and it's nasty. What did you eat for dinner?
I had 2 of the tuna tartare, and there was a little bit of wasabi right there in the middle of them, and it was absolutely incredible. Marley's looking at me like I didn't pronounce it right.
No, you did.
Oh, okay. And then I had a wedge salad, and that was really good too. Wish I had a little more dressing. And then I got the prime rib for the main course, and the vegetables that were roasted really went well with like the potato that was like a puff potato.
He also got a gravy dish of horseradish.
Yeah, I wish we filmed the horseradish bit, but we both tried it, and let's just say they brought their A game to their horseradish game today, because it was like
We were
10
sent
out
to
of
a
10
new
spicy.
dimension.
Yeah, we were tripping for a second. And then for dessert, like Marley mentioned, I got the no sugar added dessert and basically took a bite of everything else. The creme brulee cheesecake slapped so hard.
It was so good. And Matt don't even like cheesecake, so.
Third angle. All right. So the rest of the night, we are going to go ahead and drop Maisie off at It's a Small World Nursery. Is that what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to say if that's what it's called for this whole entire trip.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yep, so we're dropping her off at the nursery, and then we are going to a musical, and it's Tangled the Musical.
Mm-hmm.
Free from interruption of children. Thank you to the Cotter family. Check out them doors. Birthday cruise.
It's Mila and her cat, Max.
Oh, wow. Too bad your mom doesn't watch our vlog.
I know.
Shout out Debbie. Maisie, they have a Bibbidi Boppity boutique.
Ages 3 to 12.
What are your thoughts? We changed our mind. We'll take her.
Oh, good job. Good job.
Let me just look in the window.
I'm so proud.
I just want to look in the window at her. She didn't want to be sat down. She's crying. She just wanted to be held. My sweet girl. She's such a cuddle bug.
All right, y'all, we finally ditched that baby. So we're about to go to the stage theater production.
Oh. Hey, it's Donald.
Hey, Donald. Time to watch some Tangled. Marley said she should have brought a blanket. Marley said she should have brought a blanket.
I'm real cold. It'd be cold in there.
So welcome, you are here for a fantastic voyage. But what about Disney Vacation Club? Any DVC members in the house? Yeah, quite a few of you. Nice, welcome home. So many of you have sailed with us before? Castmate Club members, make some noise! And there we go. Welcome back to all of you.
Obviously, every cruise ship offers theater entertainment,
It's
but
so good.
nothing touches Disney.
I hope they do it again so we can see the ending.
Yeah, we didn't get to see the ending because we are going to...
Tequila and Margarita tasting. I kind of booked this without Matt knowing, and then it kind of popped up on his phone. He was like, what's this?
Surprise ruined, because, you know, you share the app.
Yeah. Look it.
I guess we're getting drunk, guys.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
Do you think they'll sugar our rims if we ask?
I don't know. Look at all that.
I see it all.
There is no way you can drink all 3 of these shots and not be wasted.
Time will tell.
Roll it over all your taste buds. Let's find out what kind of taste, flavor you are getting from the very first. Yes, you have to capture that moment.
Citrus.
Citrus.
I taste citrus.
Citrus spiciness. Front of your tongue, back of your throat, and even in your chest. You can feel the tequila now. Whenever you eat salt, that will dehydrate your palate. So we need some liquid and a lime. The reason lime has lots of sourness, tartness, and acidity. That will numb your palate, and you will not get the harshness. Harshness, and it will make you drink in a easy way. Now, after having a shot of tequila, it still is not finished actually.
Just looking at the color here, folks.
And we're smelling and now sipping. Just one sip.
How is the nose? Smoky, thank you. Tip of a spear. And this mescal is matured for 1 year in a French and American oak barrel. You see nice caramel color it's getting here?
Salt, tequila,
Yeah.
orange.
So salt will like try to dehydrate, so you can have it in a liquid there.
Not enough orange.
A sip now. Is it getting better from the first one or still the same way?
I don't like this.
Dip the orange in there.
In the cinnamon.
Spiciness of your tequila.
No, don't eat it
Same
first.
time, you know, balanced flavor of sweetness and sourness in orange. It doesn't have a lot of sourness and acidity.
He doesn't.
It's a balanced flavor.
Take your shot.
Each tequila, the third one that you're trying is Spectrum Addis. First one was Bodigo Rose. Second one was
Can we get a taste of that
So much better.
right?
That is so good.
How is it? Is it sweet or sour or tart? Balance.
It's like a little sour, but tart. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Spicy strawberry margarita.
Espresso strawberry and espresso jalapeno.
That's gonna be a fire effect.
Here is the first song clip. Here is the second song clip. Here is the third song clip. Which of those 3 song clips best describes the first time you and your partner were intimate?
For the first time in forever.
For the first time in forever.
She's
Very
so
nice,
sweet.
very nice. Moving on over. Which of those 3 song clips best describes the first time you and your partner were intimate?
I know he's gonna say almost there. I love him, I promise.
Get out of here.
You and your red toes.
Because you're so cheap. You won't let me get a pedicure.
Oh. Oh boy. I'm almost there. They said 11 o'clock and that was a lie.
What was that? That's what makes All right, y'all. Good evening from day 1. We just picked up Maisie from the nursery. And she didn't sleep at all. It's 11 o'clock.
She took a 1-hour power nap and chased a ball around the room for the past 2 hours.
What are you doing?
That's just a little bit of an insight.
She's a little cat.
That's what's really nice about the Disney child care, though. They like tell you exactly what your child did that whole entire time. Tomorrow is the day, y'all.
Tomorrow is the day of all days. Lighthouse Key.
Like,
Lookout Key. Oh,
let's try it
God.
again. Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point, grand opening. We'll be there. That'll be our day 2 video, so make sure you check that one out.
But you probably already watched that one because it's coming out first before our daily vlog.
That's the plan. But if you are new here, go ahead and like, share, and comment on this video. Hit that subscribe button if you feel so inclined. I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley.
And
This
Maisie
crazy girl
is losing her mind. See you later.